Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to connect Patreon account to Discord. On your browser, open patreon.com and sign into your Patreon account. Once done, click on settings. Once you are in Patreon settings page, here click on more and click on connected apps. And here you will find Discord. Just click on that. And now to connect your Discord, just click on connect. If you're using your Discord account on your browser, then here you will see this pop up, or it may ask you to sign into your Discord account. Once done, click on authorize. And that's it. As you can see, I've successfully connected my Discord to Patreon account. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.